Hey everyone, so here is the third worksheet. And real quick, these are the two formulas that we're going to use. This is for area of a circle, and this is for area of a sector. Okay. So here we have find the area of a circle with diameter of 8 meters. Now again, some students will see this number and automatically try to plug it into the formula. But the formula is pi r squared, and the r stands for radius. Okay, and if you remember, whenever we have a circle, the diameter goes all the way across, but the radius only goes halfway. Okay. So if the diameter is 8 meters, then the radius has to be half of that, 4 meters. And that's the number we want to use for the formula. So inside the formula, I'm going to use pi. The radius is 4 squared. So 4 times 4 is 16 pi. Okay, don't forget the units, that's meters squared. So this is the exact answer. And depending on your answer choices, like if the answer choices, the A, B, C, D choices, if they have pi in them, then you should think, hey, I need to leave pi in my answer. Otherwise, to find like the decimal approximation, all we have to do is take 16 and multiply it by 314. Because remember, this is the value of pi here. Okay, and that's what we have right there. We have 16 times pi. If we multiply 16 times pi, which is 314, we get 50.2. Okay, so this would be 50.2 meters squared. So this is another possible answer. And that's when we replace pi with 314. So hopefully you remember from the exit slip. Like in the exit slip, the choices had pi in them, so I would have left it like this. But anyway, let's move on to number 2. Number 2, same idea. Find the area of a circle with a radius of 12 inches. So here they do give us the radius. They tell us the radius is 12 inches, so I'm going to go ahead and put 12 in for the radius. Pi 12 squared. 12 squared is 144 pi. And the units is inches. So again, that's my exact answer. If you have decimal choices for A, B, C, D, take the 144 and then multiply it by 314. Because remember, this is just 314. So then the other possible answer is, I'm going to put a 4 here, 452.2. That would be inches squared. Okay, and that's how you find the approximation, is you just take the pi and multiply it by, or you take pi and replace it by 314 and then multiply it to the number. Okay, and then for 3 and 4 is finding the area of a sector. Remember, the sector is like a pizza slice. So the entire circle is the pizza, and the sector is just a slice of the pizza. A, if you don't remember, A is the sector angle, and then again R is the radius. So if I look at number 3, it says find the area of a sector. Here's the sector, and that's the angle for the sector, so I know that's my A. And then here's the radius. It goes from the center down to here, so I know that's the radius. So I'm going to take these values and plug it into my formula. A is 135, 360 times pi, R is 14 squared. Now again, if you want the answer with pi, all you have to do is type in the number part into the calculator. So watch, I'm going to type in the 135 divided by 360 and times 14 squared. I get 73.5. We could change this to a fraction. I'm just going to leave it like that, 73.5. So I know my answer is 73.5 meters squared. So this is my exact answer with pi, right? And then the approximation would just be, hey, take the 73.5 and multiply that by 314, right? And then that's 230.8. And again, that's meters squared. With pi, without pi. Okay. And I believe the one we did on the example in the exit slip had pi in it. Okay. So again, here's this one. I'm gonna set it up. You guys can type it in the calculator. Area is going to equal little a, which is 105, divided by 360, times pi, times the radius squared. Okay, so you guys type that in the calculator, and then just don't forget this one's miles squared. Okay.